Alright, so next reaction is Fighters hits mouthpiece ejects button on opponent's jaw by Shinzo Adonis. Now, you know what I like about MMA. I forgot about that MMA for a very long time. Um, Even though I was gonna react more than next time, hopefully, but yeah. But we're gonna see what broken teeth are from the jaw. Alright, let's check it out in three, two, one, go.
Here I go.
Oh! Oh! Shit!
Autobots, transform and roll out!
Test your might. Finish him!
Oh!
Game over.
Wait a minute, I had no clue the jaw was an eject button for a mouthpiece.
Ew!
The right hand had this man sparring with his ancestors. Had him participating in the Sam Darnold challenge on Monday Night Football. His corner asked him who he was punching at. He said he should have injected some Viagra into his arms because he didn't get him up in time. Right hand put him on the sand in front of the sea. Had homie folding like a beach chair. He got knocked out from the east to the west. Back to the east. Back to the west. Somebody please call a goddamn EMT.
Oh, you got a little. He's funny as hell, man. Man, he's so funny, man. But yeah, comment down below what you think about it, and I'll